Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques channel on YouTube. We're going to show you these two Aynsley period 1930s Queen's Garden dessert, sorry, not dessert, side plates. Let me get it right, size-wise. These are small, go with the teacup trios. They're in absolutely superb condition, dating from mid-1930s on the Aynsley China mark. You can see there on the back. Very distinctive, used here with the Aynsley, with the crown, and England bone china. Was only used for a very short period of time. 35090 is the pattern reference, and then one with those two dots underneath is the colour combination way for the decorators to know what to paint where. Queen's Garden is this neoclassical design, grey transfer printed on this very unusual sort of turquoisey, pale turquoisey blue background. I'm not sure whether it's coming fully across in this light box on video, but if I put them down sideways you can get better idea of the colour here. And then these are hand coloured enamels on the top, irregular indent scalloped rim all the way around the side. We've got two of these orphan plates, which we've also got two saucers. It's the teacups which were the most delicate part, but we have got trios in this colour combination of Queen's Garden also available on the website. Some spare saucers and a milk and sugar jug just coming online as well, so it's worthwhile having a look through the Aynsley catalogue on the Vintage and Antiques website. Look at the glaze condition on those, very bright indeed. Nicely marked, as I say. The rear absolutely clean, beautiful condition. Don't think these have had any wear at all during their life, to be fair. Not a single knife mark on any of these pieces, so they really are very bright. Each one's going to be slightly individual because of the hand enameling with the colour combinations put on there, but they're a delightful colour palette that's been used. The link description below will take you through if you'd like to find out more details about these side plates. They're available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website here in the UK. And as I say, do browse the website looking at some of the other pieces we've got going on catalogue in this colour combination and pattern from Aynsley. Thanks for watching.